In 1977, two talented entrepreneurs, Brian and Stan, had the great idea to combine exceptional brassware design with brilliant service and an outstanding delivery offering. This turned into Bristan. And over 40 years on, Brian and Stan's principles still underpin all the reasons you should turn to Bristan. We sell more taps and showers than anyone else in the UK. That's over 1 million taps every year. This long-standing popularity means you'll now find us in 1 in 5 UK homes. As well as in millions of homes, we're in hospitals, care homes, hotels, schools, universities and gyms across the country. We're always listening to our customers and responding to their needs. It's why we recently scored an impressive 85% for customer satisfaction. It's not just our customers that love us, plumbers do too. 9 out of 10 would always recommend Bristan. That's because our products are innovative, stylish, easy to fit, and offer great performance. They're all covered by our no-quibble guarantee and backed by Bristan Care, a comprehensive support offering made possible by our 70-strong CXA award-winning customer service team. And if it's ever needed, our expert service engineers can provide on-site technical support too. Product development starts in the Design and Innovation Centre at our Tamworth HQ. It's where new family-safe, eco-friendly products and technologies like Cool Touch and EasyFit are created. Our customer-inspired design concept means always focusing on customers' needs, so all our products look great, offer superb functionality, and are simple to install and use. They're all rigorously tested in our certified lab and meet the most stringent quality, legislative, and water efficiency standards. You can browse all our products on our website and in our extensive brochures and product and price guide. Once you've made your choice, our dependable express delivery service ensures that orders placed before 6 p.m. will be delivered by 12 noon the next day. We deliver over 3 million products a year in 325,000 consignments. We also keep over 4,000 spares for 5 years after the product has been discontinued. There you have it. It's always been the Bristan passion to make everything we do every day brilliant. So, there's every reason you should turn to Bristan.